welcome back to my channel. This is DT DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your revvl RY Plus. This phone is a T-Mobile device. If you have one and you need help by resetting it, removing everything on the device, you need to follow the steps. Now, just FYI, everything will be erased except the Gmail that is connected to the phone. Once you finish the reset, you would have to go back into the phone and you would have to remember the Gmail. But here we go, let's start. Make sure that the device is turned off. Once the phone is turned off, locate the volume down and the power button. Press and hold both. Once you see the screen go down, recovery mode, press the power button to select. Once you see this picture, just play around with the buttons. Sometimes it comes by itself if you just wait. Sometimes you just have to play around. Okay, so you press the power and hold the power, and then you press volume up and it will take you to this screen. So locate the wipe data factory reset, press the power to select, go down to yes, erase everything. And there you go, everything is being erased. Once it comes back on, reboot system now. And as you can see, the phone been factory reset and rebooted. Once it comes on, it will be at the activation screen. You just have to keep on hitting next so you can go through the prompts. Again, if you don't remember your Gmail, you won't be able to go back into the device. But if you do, this is the best way to wipe everything clean off. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.